Hare Krishna. So we are discussing from the 38th verse of the 4th chapter of Gita entitled Transcendental Knowledge. Krishna explains the characteristics of this knowledge. He has told us yesterday how this knowledge practically consumes a person's existence and makes a person completely purified. Today also, Krishna extols the glories of this knowledge. He says, Nahi jnanena sadrisham pavitram ihamit vidyate tad swayam yoga samsiddha kaleinatmani vindati. In this world, there is nothing so sublime and pure as transcendental knowledge. Such knowledge is the mature fruit of all mysticism. And one who has become accomplished in the practice of devotional service enjoys this knowledge within himself in due course of time. So Krishna says that the most pure thing, सबसे बड़ा सौभाग्य एक जीव के लिए इस जीवन में क्या है? ये ज्ञान मिलना, ये पवित्र ज्ञान मिलना और इस पवित्र ज्ञान की राह पर चलना, ये सबसे ज्यादा सौभाग्य की बात है. So we see, we in this material world characterize destiny or saubhagya as paisa, friendship, name, fame, prestige, adoration, distinction. ये सब सौभाग्य है. But Krishna says what? From Krishna's point of view, what is saubhagya? Yes, he says, Nahi jnana sadrisham pavitram iha vidyate. इस ज्ञान के जैसा पवित्र और कुछ नहीं है. जिसे ये ज्ञान मिला है उससे ज्यादा सौभाग्यशाली और कोई नहीं है. So we see, we can very easily understand this concept. जिसको भी, जिस भी जीव को ये ज्ञान नहीं मिला वो दुर्भाग्यशाली है. जिसको भी ये ज्ञान मिला वो सौभाग्यशाली है. लेकिन दो चीजें और रहती हैं. लेकिन ये ज्ञान मिला, ये ज्ञान, और जिसने कंटिन्यू किया इस ज्ञान पर अपना मार्गक्रमण, वो परम सौभाग्यशाली है. और जिसे ये ज्ञान मिला और मिलने के बाद में उसने इस ज्ञान को छोड़ दिया, उससे ज्यादा दुर्भाग्यशाली कोई नहीं. So one who doesn't come to know about God or this knowledge or Krishna consciousness is really unfortunate. One who comes to know about this science is fortunate. One who comes to know about this science and practices this science is most fortunate. And one who comes to know about this science but he gives up this science, he is most unfortunate. So, अब fortunate और unfortunate होना तो हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. We are already fortunate, हमें यह ज्ञान मिला है. So fortunate और unfortunate में से एक टिक हो गया. We are fortunate, we are getting this knowledge. What remains is whether we can practice this knowledge and become most fortunate, or we give up this knowledge and become most unfortunate. What is this knowledge? This knowledge is that I am not this body. I am neither my mind, not my intelligence, nor my ego. I am simply a part and parcel of Krishna. And in that position, I am a servant. Jeevera Svarupa Hoye, Krishnera Nitya Das. I am an eternal servant. Coming to this platform is not easy. And that is why Krishna says, Tat Swayam Yoga Samsiddha. One who becomes completely realized on this knowledge. That Samsiddha. Initially one may falter. Definitely, जिस प्रकार से एक बच्चा चलने लगता है, वो चल चल के गिरता है, लेकिन वो चलना छोड़ता नहीं है. अगर वो चलना छोड़ेगा नहीं, इवेंचुअली वो भागेगा और वो शायद यूसेन बोल्ट भी बनेगा. लेकिन उसे चलना छोड़ना नहीं होगा, चलते रहना होगा, मार्गक्रमण करते रहना होगा. इसीलिए samsiddhi kalena atmani vindati. In due course of time, one will reap the fruits of this knowledge. It is not easy to gain this knowledge. It is not easy to sustain this knowledge. It is most difficult to be happy also with this knowledge on material plane. But if one is perseverant, one will eventually come to know this is the best thing that I have got in my life. Thank you very much. Hare
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.